Good morning, grade 8. Welcome to our English class. For the checking of attendance, is it a yes or is it a no? Before we proceed with our next topic, let us have a short review. Can you still remember about the things that we discussed? We are already in math number 12, domain reading comprehension, enabling competency, recognize propaganda techniques used in a given text. Curriculum Guide, English 8, Reading Comprehension, Quarter 3A-12.1 on page 184. Domain, Vocabulary, our learning competency for this topic is analyze intention of words or expressions used in propaganda techniques. Again, analyze intention of words or expressions used in propaganda techniques. What would you expect on this lesson? You are expected to differentiate advertisement and propaganda. Identify the propaganda strategies used in advertisements like bandwagon, testimonial, transfer, repetition, or emotional words, and consider this in formulating hypotheses. Vocabulary development. Let's play a short game. Here is the link of our short game. The focus of the game is that there will be pictures posted and you're going to identify what type of propaganda technique or strategy was used. Our topic is all about propaganda techniques. As I told you earlier, you are going to identify the strategy based on the given picture. These are some of the photos that you are going to identify what was their propaganda technique. Advertisements are necessary to promote products and services to consumers. The word advertise and advertising are words synonymous or connected with the word advertisements. Advertisement is a form of propaganda. Propaganda can be utilized too in text, passages, or even literary selections. Propaganda publicly to promote something. Also, misleading publicity. Do you agree that it promotes something and also misleads publicity? We are going to answer that later. Propaganda also intends to make us accept or approve something without looking closely at the evidence. Propaganda techniques. What are the basic propaganda techniques or strategies? Let's start with bandwagon. Bandwagon, persuading consumers by telling them that others are doing the same thing. Examples: Maybelline, America's favorite mascara. 2. Everything is doing it. Take a look as well at the given examples, the given pictures. Next, testimonial. When a product sold by using words from famous people or authority figures. Keyword is word or words. Example: Taylor Swift, I choose milk. Chris Aquino, I finally found a product that goes well with my busy schedule. Transfer. When a product is sold by a name or picture from famous people or a thing, but no words from the said person or thing. There is no words, no uttering of words, just photo wherein a famous celebrity or person is holding that. Next, glittering generalities. From the word itself, glitter, glitters. It is defined as some attractive or impressive words or ideas which mislead the people. Example: Subway Eat Fresh. 50 years of plain broiled perfection. Next, name calling. It consists in giving a bad name to a person, a group, or an idea or an event. The keyword is bad name. Example: racist, terrorist, guerrilla, militant, activist, rebel, insurgent. So they are negative or offensive words or names. Plain folks, folks, common people. The use of ordinary people to promote a product or service. Example: leader may embrace a child in a slum area. Takes lunch sitting with the slum dwellers on a mat to impress upon them that he is one of them. Card stacking. It is used to seek or manipulate audience perception of an issue by emphasizing one side and repressing another. Example: A brand of snack food is loaded with sugar and calories. The commercial may boast that the product is low in fat, which implies that it is also low in calories. Repetition, from the word itself, repeat. When the product's name is repeated at least 4 times in the ad, repeating of a certain symbol or slogan so that the audience remembers it. Take a look at the given examples. Champ moves Milo or Champ moves with Milo every day. If you can still remember the commercial of Milo, wherein the jingle, so the product is always repeated more than once. If you are inside the mall, you can see the sale. The word sale is being repeated and posted. If you can see on the board, just like the billboard of a soft drink. So it is an example of repetition. In what instances we use propaganda techniques? Can you cite an example or situation wherein you can use propaganda techniques? Okay. What about this word or a line? Propaganda, power, and persuasion. Agree or disagree? Why? Why not? What do you think is the most powerful and applicable technique to be used? Among the 8 common propaganda techniques or strategies, choose at least one. Please complete this line. I understand that for our short quiz, let's play a short game. Please open or go to your browser and find QUIZZIZ. If you don't have any question, that's all for now. Goodbye, class.